Hi, I'm Graham from Boatshed, MIDI Canals. This is a rather nice Dutch steel cruiser. I'm not going to murder the name of the constructor, but it was the last boat built before the yard owner took his retirement, and it really does show skill and pride in the work. It's got a good swim platform here. Look at the thickness of that teak. Now, just open our way onto this aft deck, which is absolutely massive. No inside helming position here. Everything given over to living space inside. This really is a comfortable boat. Built on a 5mm hull, 4mm superstructure. This radar arch is actually aluminium and electrically operated. How easy does that get? Now you can see hinges on the screens. We can get her down to 2.8 meters. Massive side decks. Massive stanchion rails. I mean, this it really does breathe sort of comforting quality. Equally at home coastal as on the big rivers, and with that 2.8 meter air draft, she'll pretty much go anywhere. She's only 1.2 meter draft. Go anywhere on the canals. Built for our vendors, VAT proofs, etc. They're retiring from navigating. Now it's going to be somebody else's turn to enjoy this boat as their pride and joy. Now we're just going to add the helming position here. As you can see, well equipped. There's a list of that equipment on the web page, and your captain dominates from up here. Bow thruster, stern thruster, and this 140 horse Dutch 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. Complete maneuverability, whatever that is in English. Complete control. If you'd like any more information, I'm Graham from Boatshed and MIDI Canals, and all my contact details are on this boat's webpage, boatshedmidicanals.com. I'd love to hear from you.